Who do the Jets play? They play Seattle. And what's Seattle famous for? They're famous for teriyaki. And guess what we're making today? Every day cooking. Bad cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. The New York Jets are paying the Seattle Seahawks, and they're famous for teriyaki out there. I didn't know that, but now I do. So we're gonna make our own teriyaki sauce, right? So we got our less sodium or less sodium soy sauce, right? We got sake, right? And we got mirin, right? Guys, that's it, right? No brown sugar. I guess you could put it in if you want to, but guys, we're gonna get this all chopped up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna use probably about an inch or so of this ginger, right? Or a thumb's worth. So about an inch and a half of ginger. All right, guys, and we're doing 4 cloves of garlic, right? 4 cloves of garlic. All right, guys, and we want our garlic chopped up this small, right? Because it's gonna be in our teriyaki sauce. About that size. All right, guys, so we're gonna go down with some oil, and I've been cooking with this coconut oil lately. This is supposed to be better for you, and it doesn't taste like coconut oil at all. All right, guys, from a cold pan, I'm just gonna go down with a little bit of this coconut oil. All right, that coconut oil is melted down, so I'm gonna go in with our ginger first. Got my pan on medium low now. I had it up too high. I'm gonna go in with our garlic. Just gonna give that a few seconds, right? Guys, and then we got our sake, right? We got our sake, 1 cup. And we're gonna do equal cups, right? So sake, mirin, and soy sauce, right? And we go with our sake. And we just wanna cook down the alcohol out of the sake. Let's give it a taste. Just a taste. All right, guys, this has been going for a minute or so. I'm gonna go in with some of this mirin, right? 1 cup. And then 1 cup of the soy sauce to reduce sodium. I guess you could use the regular one if you wanted to. I'm trying to cut back. And guys, this top won't come off, but. And then 1 cup. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna let this cook for a little while. I'm gonna say about 10-15 minutes. Let it reduce a little bit so this can get all incorporated, right? We're gonna move on to our broccoli. Alright, guys, I think our pan is good and hot now. I'm just gonna go down with broccoli. I'm putting it on the flat side, right? I want to get some color to it. The garlic. Just a little bit, not too much. All our flavors in the teriyaki sauce, right? This one's got good color on it, right? Flip that one over. All right, guys, everything's nice and colored here, right? And I'm just gonna put the top on this and turn the heat down. Turn the heat off, I should say. And move that off to the side. Guys, I almost forgot. Just gonna throw our bell peppers in there. And put our top back on. And this is gonna go on the side. All right, guys, so we got our chicken, right? Now, I would put salt on this, right? But we're gonna have a ton of salt in that teriyaki sauce, so no need for that. I'm just gonna cook these plain, because you saw what happened with the broccoli, right? That garlic started to burn. So we don't want that to happen on the chicken. So we're gonna just take this and brown this off and cook it up in the pan right here, so I'll bring you guys right back. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up too. All right, we're gonna go down with some coconut oil. Go down with a lot this time, right? All right, our pan is starting to smoke. Let's go down with some chicken. I did dice them up. About this size. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes on that one side. Flip them over. Guys, this is the color I'm looking for, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and flip these all over, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, let me show you guys the teriyaki sauce. All right, I'm gonna give this a taste real quick. All right, guys, so I'm gonna taste this, right? I'm gonna taste this again, I should say. It needs just a little bit of sugar. I had to taste it like 3 times. I'm gonna start with what looks like about, I'd say a half a tablespoon. Put that in there. Give that a little spin. And guys, we're not gonna use all of this, right? We're not gonna use it all. We're gonna save some for another time. Maybe make some, put this over some salmon or something. So I'm gonna get a ladle and we're gonna go back into our pan. All right, guys, in the same pan that we cooked our chicken in, I'm going in with our teriyaki sauce. And guys, we're gonna do a little slurry, right? So a little slurry, right? So we put cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of water, or 1 to 1. I kind of just measure it out myself and eyeball it. Let's turn this back up. And we just want to thicken this up a little bit, right? Because that's the way you're used to seeing it, right? It's nice and thick. I do a little bit at a time, just so we can get it to the right thickness that we want. And this is gonna thicken up right away. Here it goes, guys. This is nice and thick. Look at that. All right, now we're just gonna go in with our chicken. Give that a nice spin. Turn the pan down a little. Then we hit our broccoli, right? And our bell peppers. Give that a spin. And guys, we got teriyaki chicken. There you go. I'll give you guys a nice flyover. All right, guys, let's give this a taste all together, right? Get a piece of meat, some rice, some green onion there. How about a piece of broccoli? Come on. Piece of broccoli, right? Get over here, broccoli. God, that's a mouthful right there, right? Let's give this a taste. A little more rice. Guys, give us a like and a subscribe. Teriyaki sauce on a little bit of healthier side. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.